Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu la ta'kulu amwalakum baynakum bil-batili illa an takuna tijaratan an taradin minkum ولا تقتلوا أنفسكم إن الله كان بكم رحيما. Translation: O believer, do not consume or eat up wealth of one another among yourselves by false means, except in trading or business by mutual agreement. And do not kill yourselves nor one another. Surely Allah is ever most merciful to you. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving a clear commandment that nobody should eat anybody's wealth unjustly, by zulm, by corruption, by deceiving, and this is 100% haram as it is mentioned in this ayah. However, if somebody is making a deal with someone like a business deal or buying or selling anything and they are getting profit out of that, then this is totally allowed and there is no harm in making that profit. However, cheating is 100% haram, by which somebody try to get someone's money, and we must understand that. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that nobody should kill anyone, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very merciful that He has given us such clear commandments. So if somebody is doing cheating or somebody is killing someone, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that this is forbidden and must not be done, and these commandments are the mercy of Allah that He has warned us beforehand. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَمَنْ يَفْعَلْ ذَلِكَ عُدْوَانًا وَظُلْمًا فَسَوْفَ نُصْلِيهِ نَارًا وَكَانَ ذَلِكَ عَلَى اللَّهِ يَسِيرًا. Translation: and whosoever kills in aggression and injustice, then we will throw him into fire, and that is always easy for Allah. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us that whoever will do such acts like cheating someone and getting someone's wealth by deceiving him, or by cheating or stealing, or if someone is killing someone unjustly, then they will be given the punishment of the hellfire. And this is indeed not any difficult thing for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to put someone in fire or to give the criminals punishment. And somebody must not think that, oh, we are Muslims, how can we go in hellfire? Allah has given clear commandments here that if somebody is doing these sins, these crimes, they will have to face the justice and they will have to get the punishment. So one must not be deceived by the fact that they are Muslim. They should act on the commandments of Quran and try to save themselves from the hellfire. Oh Allah, help us understand the commandments of Quran, and oh Allah, help us act on the commandments of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.